No more bread, sorry. Out of service today. I know they don't say no, not a bit.
Yes.
What's the name of the club?
Oh my
Oh,
god.
shit, that's it's actually.
Oh, that was a shot.
Leave him alone. Don't touch our boyfriend.
Hit it already. No, it's on camera.
Bit close this one, you know. I'm getting a bit of harassment here. Oh shit, fuck. It's like, you know, I'm loving the bloody morning, that. Oh, piss off, Bulldogs. Piss off. Piss bird. Oh shit, oh Daniel, I don't like this. Ah! Ah!
Who's got the bread?
I didn't think I was here, Little pieces now. Little pieces. No, stop arguing. Right, have they gone? No, they're not. That's them. Pig! You did. Oh, you just got my voice in there.
I got my voice in it.
Oh!
It flaps up at me.
Did it?
Yeah.
What's
Put it on
that
camera.
that yeah.
No, it flaps up at me.
Right.
Sounds,
Oh shit, that was arguing. Leave him alone, you bully.
I don't want to film anymore. There's too much going on.
Look, the sun's are in there.
Some
They haven't got any food. Here goes Connie. Here go. You keep some stuff off. I don't even know where we are now.
No, they're not gone all over. They're strangers, aren't they? Yeah, look.
We're getting some spontaneous things, don't we?
They're messed up things and all.
I might just pick it in.
No, don't do that. It'll make it worse. It'll probably peck you or something. Leave it, leave it. Don't give him any more.
Can I feed the Connie then?
Yeah, feed the corner.
You know.
Don't.